Hi, I'm Vanessa Cedar with Maine Lobster Now, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to steam lobster tails. Bringing home lobster tails is a great option if you want to cook lobster at home but don't want to deal with all the mess. When you receive your box in the mail, in it you'll find frozen lobster tails from fresh lobsters caught straight off the coast of Maine. They're packed in dry ice, so be careful when handling. You can thaw your lobsters for up to 24 hours ahead of time if you want to use them right away, or they can be frozen for up to 3 months. So now that our lobster tails have thawed, we're ready to steam. It's really important to make sure that your tails have completely thawed so that the meat doesn't stick to the shell. So I like to do a couple tests. First, take your finger and gently push it into the center. And if it's thawed, it shouldn't feel frozen, it should be tender. And then another test I like to do is to bend it back and forth, like so. And if it's really flexible, then that's a really good sign that it's completely thawed. But if not, no worries. All you do is place it back in the plastic bag and then submerge in cold water for approximately 30 to 60 minutes and then try again. And hopefully by then it should be thawed. Now for steaming, you wanna have a large pot with a tight-fitting lid, some cold water, some Maine sea salt, of course, and a steamer basket. So we're gonna fill our pot with about 2 inches of water. And now we're gonna add a good amount of salt. We want the water to mimic the flavor of the ocean. So this helps keep the lobsters plump and have lots of flavor. So you can taste it too with your finger or dip a spoon in just to test to make sure it's salty enough. And then we're gonna add our steamer basket. And you just wanna make sure that the water doesn't come way over the steamer basket. And now we're ready to bring to a boil. Now that the water has reached a rolling boil, add your lobster tails flat to the steamer basket. So, how long does it take to steam your lobster tails? Depending upon the size of the lobster determines the time it takes. Looks like they're done. Transfer to a tray of ice to stop the cooking. So now that our lobsters are done cooling, we're ready to plate. I like to serve mine with some New England clam chowder, some asparagus, a squeeze of lemon, some clarified butter. It's a simple meal that's sure to impress. Have your own Maine experience with Maine Lobster Now. If you like this video, check out our other videos at Maine Lobster Now, or you can check out our website with the link below.